Hey, I'm Steve Vignanti here at the 2014 SEMA show with Rick Love, Vice President of Vintage Air. Now, since 1976, Vintage Air has been manufacturing bolt-in AC kits for hot rods and original style vehicles. But good news now for owners of 66 through 70 Mopar E-bodies. Yup, air conditioners for your cars. Rick, tell us about it.
We've been spending quite a bit of time developing these systems for the B-body Mopars. We've had the E-body kits, the Challenger, CUDA kits available for quite a few years, the 70, 74. So we're kind of doing a few more things for the Mopars now, getting a little more involved in that market. And you know, as Mopar guys know, there's a lot of little differences between these cars. You talk about it being a B-body for a suspension part. I mean, it goes from one car to the other. When you get to an air conditioning system, an in-dash system, you know, the controls in a Roadrunner may be different from the controls in a satellite and things. So we've spent quite a bit of time developing bolt-in systems, and the controls that we're providing with these kits look a lot like the factory control panels. So you can retain that stock look that's very important to a lot of the Mopar people, and yet you get upgraded to a much more modern system. Fully electronic door operation, separate heat and cool coils, a lighter unit, smaller, more compact unit, and yet you still can retain a lot of the factory look on the inside of the vehicle.
And that's a good point, lighter. You know, a lot of the factory air conditioner, the compressors were big cast iron monsters. You guys use something lighter. Tell us about that.
Yeah, we use a Sanden compressor, and it's a smaller, somewhat lighter, definitely a smoother. It's an axial compressor. You do away with that V-twin, saves you weight. It's a lot less vibration, a lot less shake on the engine. So you gain in several different places there, weight and smoother operation. So that's one of another advantage of upgrading to the kit. We use parallel flow condensers, which is a big step up from the old tube and fins that they had, you know. And you see people trying to pick and choose to restore a factory system, you know. Even if that stuff's in good shape, it's still 40-year-old technology, you know. Now you're dealing with more modern technology. The stepper motors, the servos that we use to control the doors on these units, they're OEM-quality servo motors. We used them on the Ford GT when we did that kit. So you're getting OEM-quality parts for your hot rod, for your aftermarket car. You know, Steve, the Mopar guys, a lot of them, we find out they want to retain that stock look in their cars. So what we've done, and this is a perfect example, this is the early satellite and GTX control panel that we produced. It's actually a state-of-the-art PC board, LED lighted, backlit, but we've even duplicated the look of the original knobs and switches. Once that goes in dash, when you look in the window of the car, you'll retain that stock feel and that stock look, but you'll gain variable speed control on your blower rather than just a high, medium, and low, variable blend between your dash, floor, and defrost, and then variable temperature control as well. So again, you get the modern technical, the modern functionality, but you still retain that factory look. Now, if you've got a later model car like the 68 to 70 Roadrunners, Chargers, things like that, they have a control panel that's kind of hidden up and underneath the dash pad. And this one, they use cables, bulky cables that goes back and forth, you know. So what we did is we designed a new control panel that bolts into that factory location, has knobs that we designed that basically mimic the factory look as well, and then you get that same variable speed operation, variable blend in a board that basically looks factory up in that position.
Rick, how can our viewers learn more about Vintage Air components?
They can go to our website, vintageair.com, and we have an extensive dealer network as well. Also have an 800 number that's listed on the website. It's 800-862-6658. Got guys there that'd be happy to walk you through it. Great thing about our website as well is all the instruction manuals, the installation manuals are on our website where you can download them at home, take a look at exactly what comes with the system, how it goes in, all of that.
Well, good news from Vintage Air here at SEMA 2014, helping to keep an already cool car, the 66 through 70 Mopar E-body, even cooler.